Hi, I'm Brian Rose, Product Manager for Weighing and EID products here at Gallagher. Today we're going to do a little video introducing the wireless load bars and how they connect to our TW weigh scale range. When the wireless load bars are shipped, we make sure the little electronics box is turned off, but the first time you use this product you need to turn the unit on. This will only ever have to be done once in the lifetime of the product, and we're expecting the product to last up to 10 years in the field. First thing we need to do is connect the wireless load bars to the TW. So we go into Settings, Equipment Connections, Load Bars, and we're going to connect via wireless. The TW is now going to search for the load bars. Once the scale finds the load bar, you select it, push connect, and it will take approximately 30 seconds for the connection between the TW weigh scale and the load bars to be made. Once connected, hit done. Once connected, you can start a new session. Go into Quick Start. You'll notice that the Bluetooth icon here is now highlighted orange, so that tells us there's now a connection between the wireless load bars and the TW weigh scale. So we can go ahead and put a weight on, and we can see the system's working. As you can see, the wireless load bars really simplify your weighing experience. There's no need to manage cables, trip over them, get them stuck in a gate. All you do is connect wirelessly to your TW weigh scale and you're ready to start weighing. For more information about our wireless load bars or any of our other weighing and EID products, go to am.gallagher.com.